Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable ChatGPT voice. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, when you have opened your ChatGPT, let's head over here to the profile icon in the bottom left on your desktop or top corner on your mobile, and then head over to the settings. Now it will pop up this window here with the settings. So select here on the left personalization and then scroll all the way down where you see advanced. So click on that. Now what you need to do, find advanced voice and just switch it off. Click save. Just like that, refresh the conversation, start with a fresh new one, and yeah, changes will be applied uh, just like that. So this is basically if you want to stop ChatGPT from cutting you off, acting overly emotional, or using up your daily advanced voice limits. So yeah, with this way you can downgrade or disable it entirely via settings. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.